On today's topic, we're going to be talking about Limpopo artist Shebeshit. Shebeshit has been arrested in connection with an alleged attempted murder. The arrest happened on Tuesday, the 12th of November 2025. He was arrested on 2 counts of attempted murder. The singer, whose real name is Litlhogonolo Katlego Chauke, allegedly shot at a motorist during a road rage incident on the 19th of October 2025. According to Limpopo policeman spokesman Colonel Malesela Letwaba, he was arrested in Bendo, Polokwane. The police in Limpopo arrested Shebeshit during an intelligence-driven operation conducted in the upmarket suburb of Bendo, outside Polokwane, on Wednesday morning, 12 November 2025 at around 9:30. The arrest was executed through a joint operation between the Provincial Investigation Unit and the Provincial Tracking Team following the issuance of a warrant of arrest linked to a case of 2 counts of attempted murder registered at Westenburg SAPS. The arrest stems from an incident that occurred in the early hours of Sunday 19th October 2025 along Whitcliffe Street in Ladana. Anyways, there you have it, guys. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and also turn on your post notification to never miss out on any updates. See you on my next one.